Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to install BakkesMod for Rocket League on Epic Games. Let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. First, open up your browser, any browser works, and search for BakkesMod. Once the search results load, click on the first link you see. On the BakkesMod website, scroll down or navigate until you see the option to download BakkesMod. Click on it and the download will start. Now, save the file somewhere convenient, like your desktop. Once it's downloaded, you'll notice it's a zip file. To extract it, right-click and select Extract Here. After extraction, you'll see a setup file. Double-click the setup file to start the installation process. Click Yes when prompted and follow the instructions. The installer might notify you that it will close any open instances of Rocket League or BakkesMod. Just click Yes to proceed. During the installation, make sure to select the option to create a desktop shortcut. Then click Next and Install. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. After that, launch BakkesMod. You'll see a message saying it's waiting for Rocket League to start. Go ahead and open Rocket League. Once you're in the game, press F2 on your keyboard. This will bring up the BakkesMod menu where you can explore all the features. You can customize items, change boosts, decals, and so much more. And that's it. That's how you install and set up BakkesMod for Rocket League on Epic Games. Thank you so much for watching. Wow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials. See you in the next one.